Hey guys, welcome back to DMAC Customs. Today's Winterblast, well this weekend is Winterblast weekend, and if you can see out there, it's winter, and of course it's raining, but I guess that's why it's not summer blast. Anyway, so Winterblast is technically a 3-day event put on by Bay Rodders in Tauranga. Day 1 is just a meet and greet on Friday night. Last night I didn't go. Day 2 is today, so it's a mystery cruise. So we're going into Mount Maunganui to the club rooms shortly to meet up with the rest of the faithful, and then we're going to go and drive around somewhere where I don't know where. So with that in mind, I thought I'd get a bit of Rain-X on the windscreen of the truck. It's got wipers, but they're only 1 speed and they're not vacuum, even better. And yeah, then there's a do tonight. So, and then tomorrow there's a show and shine in the Spring Street car park building with a bit of a swap meet as well. So I might be able to go and buy some more rusty junk and drag it home, and it's always good. And I've got a truck I can put rusty junk in the back of. Sometimes it's greasy junk, but anyway. So I'll get onto this Rain-X thing, and then we'll be heading off shortly. Oh, we made it to the club rooms. We'll just have a little walk around and check out some of the cars here. As you can see, some weather protection going on there on that little coupe. We've got cars here from Bay Rodders, up at Whangarei, probably Rotorua, a few from maybe the Waikato as well. Come out to brave the weather. An Aussie Iron there, a 1-tonner, the Imperial, 33, Galaxy, Impala, a little coupe over there, the 5-window, 59 wagon, oh, Chevy wagon, haven't seen that one before. Oh, Merc, Commodore. Oh, the old Go Tina. The whole, going by the badges, it looks like it might have a 302 in it. It's a cool old square body. This is a neat fleet line. This one here is a 49, I think, from memory. Willys. See, little caddy, sort of pick up here. It's got a neat little unit. That's all that's here so far. Hopefully there might be a few more show up. A few might have got scared off by the weather. Aussie's GT Falcon. I'm not sure if it's a replica or a legit one.
At the end of Cherokee Place, turn either left or right. You will end up at lights on Hewletts Road, then definitely left. What is the yellow building on your left?
finally made it into Henry's Hot Rods and Caddy. Just going to park up and get to have some lunch and have a look around. Or have a look around first, then have some lunch. There's a virtual river running through this car park here, but not even really sure what this is, but they've just put in a LSA motor, supercharged 600 odd horsepower thing into it. But it's pretty wicked little machine, very clean, very cool detailing and fabrication work done by the team here at Henry's Hot Rods. Awesome. There's Neil.
It's me, you may have seen me on TV.
We got Neil's 58 Apache up here, getting some more work done on it. Hopefully be taking it home soon. Got a few neat rigs up here on the hoists and in this clean part of the workshop. There's another whole other part of the workshop over the other side, an auto electrical shop, a new paint booth getting built. There's this really cool looking Buick up here that's been getting a whole bunch of work done, reworked underneath and bringing it up to today's standards. Air ride, all the fruit. Underneath here is this supercharged Holden, so it looks like it's going to be a bit of a weapon. An abandoned flathead sitting in a puddle. Some birds making a hurrah of a racket. Well, we're all heading off now. A lot of the cars have already heading back to Tauranga. We had a good lunch of burgers and slices and stuff. It was good. Hey guys, well, that's the mystery cruise portion of this weekend's festivities done and dusted. Didn't do a hell of a lot of talking during all that sort of stuff, so you might even enjoy this video. But he ended up out at Henry's Hot Rod Shops out in Caddy, which I know if you've watched Vikings sounds similar to where Ragnar Lothbrok and all his used to hang out, but it's a different place. There's not really many Vikings. There's a lot of kiwi fruit and avocado growers out there, and a really cool hot rod shop doing some really cool super high-end work, and really inspiring to go and actually look at these builds in the works. You know, kind of makes me think I need to be better, which I shouldn't be anyway. You should always be trying to be better. Anyway, that's it for today. Tomorrow we've got the swap meet and the show and shine, but if those cars that are in the show and shine were out on the roads today, it'll be a dull and dirty, which will be good. Sweet, so till tomorrow.